Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to share with you a very quick, easy, and delicious Alfredo sauce recipe. Let's go. Okay, first up we're going to get our water on the stove and get it to a boil, and I like to add in a bit of chicken bouillon to the water. Just kind of makes the noodles taste a little bit better. Then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter into a pan and get that melted to start our sauce. Alright, we're going to add a couple cloves of garlic, and you know me, I go way extra on garlic. Now that the garlic is nice and fragrant, I'm going to go ahead and add my heavy whipping cream. Really it should be about a cup, but I'm going to make a big batch so I have some extra sauce. To that we're going to add some parsley, some black pepper, and a little bit of salt. I like to add a little pinch of cayenne pepper because I like mine a little spicier. And I'm actually just going to use my whisk to get this all nice and mixed together. Alright, now that our water is boiling, we're going to add our spaghetti. I didn't have fettuccine, but you know what, it'll work. Don't come after me. I would prefer fettuccine or linguine or something. And a trick I learned is to put a wooden spoon on top of your boiling pasta water, and it will help prevent it from boiling over because the little bubbles that come up kind of disintegrate when it touches the wood, and it kind of does work. Alright, we're going to turn this down now that it's at a nice rolling boil. The pasta needs about another minute or 2, so it's nice and al dente. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add some Parmesan and Romano. This will just help thicken it up and give it a really good Parmesan and Romano cheese flavor. About 3/4 of a cup if you're doing a regular recipe. Okay, our pasta seems done, so we're going to go drain it. Alright, we'll turn our sauce off. And since I made such a big batch, I'm going to divvy out some for another time. I'll probably just freeze it. Alright, we're going to add in our pasta. And just give it a nice big mix. And now all that's left is to dish it up. You could add broccoli or chicken or whatever you desire. I like it just kind of plain. So that was probably like 20 minutes tops, easy dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.